Welcome, astronauts, to measure the distances of celestial bodies. Celestial bodies means the physical objects present in the space, like the sun, moon, stars, comets, etc. Normally, we measure distances using meter, centimeter, kilometer. Say, for example, the distance between two states, New Delhi and Bhubaneswar, is expressed in kilometers. It is 1764 kilometers. Likewise, the distance between two countries is also expressed in kilometers. The distance between Bengaluru in India and San Francisco in USA is 14,000 kilometers. So the distance increases. We all know that the universe is very big. The distances to even the closest star are far greater than we could imagine. So, we require a new unit of measurement to measure such great distances in the sky. Even the closest object in the sky, like the sun, is about 150 million kilometers from the Earth. The distance between
Earth and Sun is around 14 crore 90 lakh kilometer. In our Milky Way galaxy, there are a large number of stars. Nearest star to our Sun is known as Alpha Centauri. It is believed that the distance between these two celestial bodies is around 40,68,000 crore kilometer. If you look at these numbers, they are very large, and representing them in kilometer is not that convenient. In this video, we will learn about astronomical units and light-year units of length, which are used in measuring distance between celestial bodies such as stars, planets, galaxies, etc. We know that our Earth revolves around the Sun, and because of this, there are different weathers: summer, winter, autumn, and spring.
You can see in this picture, the Earth rotates the Sun in elliptical orbit. Because of this, we have different seasons.
The path of Earth around the Sun is not spherical, but it is an elliptical one. During winter, Sun and Earth are farthest apart. This position is also known as Aphelion. At this position, distance between Sun and Earth remains around 15 crore 21 lakh kilometer. And during summer, distance between Sun and Earth is smallest. This position is called perihelion. At this position, distance between Earth and Sun measures to be 14 crore 71 lakh kilometer.
In this picture, you can see the Sun is close to the Earth during summer, which is about 147 million kilometers, and during winter, it is far from the Earth. Sun is far from the Earth, which is about 152 million kilometers.
Average distance between Earth and Sun can be found by taking average of distance at aphelion and perihelion positions, which comes out to be 14 crore 96 lakh kilometers. This distance is called astronomical unit. In short, it is represented as a U. 1 AU equals 14 crore 96 lakh kilometers. Distance between Sun and planets, or distance between different planets, are measured in astronomical unit. Neptune is one of planet in our solar system. Its distance from Sun is around 30 AU. If we compute the distance between Alpha Centauri and our Sun, it comes out to be 2,68,770 AU.
The average distance between the Sun and the Earth is called 1 AU, which is equal to 1.4 into 10 power 11 meters. This is the table showing the distance of each planet in our solar system. So Mercury is 0.31 AU, Earth is 1 AU, and Neptune is 30.1 AU. So, the astronomical unit is widely used to measure the distance between the Sun and other planets in our solar system. Now, let's assume a small ray of light leaving the Sun.
See how far it gets into our solar system as we dig into this lesson. So, what's the subject? Well, we're going to define the light year and give it some perspective. The light year is the basic unit that astronomers use to measure the vast distances in space. Here we go. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. It's far. Why? Because light travels so fast. 1 light year equals about 5.9 trillion miles, or 9.5 trillion kilometers. That's not million, nor this distance we might call a light minute, which is the distance light travels in 1 minute. Pretty far on a human scale, but quite small compared to the size of our solar system. I'll go ahead and tell you, Earth is about 8 light minutes from the Sun. Traveling at about 300,000 kilometers per second, it takes light from the Sun about 8 minutes to reach us. So when you look at the Sun, you're seeing the Sun as it was 8 minutes ago. If the Sun suddenly went dark, we wouldn't know it until 8 minutes later. The farthest planet from the Sun, Neptune, is about 249 light minutes from the Sun. So light minutes is used.
So the distance traveled by light in 1 year equals 3 lakh multiplied by 3 crore 15 lakh 40,000, which comes out to be equals 9 lakh 46,100 crore kilometers. If we use light year as unit of distance, distance between our Sun and Alpha Centauri comes out to be 4.22 light year.
Alpha Centauri is a star system which has 3 stars, in which Proxima Centauri, which is a less bright, is the nearest star to our solar system. It is 4.22 light years from Earth, but Alpha Centauri, which is called AB, is 4.35 light years away from the Earth. So, the light from the Sun takes 4.22 light years to reach the Proxima Centauri, which is one of the stars in Alpha Centauri.
1 year. The distance to the Alpha Centauri system in light years? That's about 4.4. It takes light from our Sun about 4.4 years to reach Alpha Centauri.
Another nearest star, Sirius, is about 9 light years from the Earth. Our galaxy is called Milky Way Galaxy. Another galaxy which is near to our galaxy is called Andromeda Galaxy, which is 2.5 million light years from Earth. If you use the telescope to see the Andromeda Galaxy, you are looking back in time. That is, you are looking at the Andromeda Galaxy, which is 2.5 million years ago, not as it is now, because the light from that galaxy has traveled 2.5 million years to reach Earth. This picture shows the Milky Way Galaxy, which is 100,000 light years. The stars which we see generally in the dark sky are 5,000 light years away.
A small portion of the entire Milky Way galaxy. How big is that? Our galaxy is about 100,000 light years across. The next major galaxy closest to us, Andromeda, is about 2.5 million light years distant. The light we see.
This is the picture of our Milky Way Galaxy. Its center is called Galactic Center. Our solar system, or the Sun, is about 25,000 light years from the Galactic Center.
So you can see that using light year, distance between stars can be represented easily, and using astronomical units, distance between planets can be represented easily.
Today's learning, the summary. In our Milky Way galaxy, there are many stars. The distance between the Sun and other planets are measured using Astronomical Unit. Since the Earth revolves around the Sun, we have different seasons. During winter, the distance between the Sun and Earth is greater. This is called Aphelion. During summer, the Earth and the Sun are closer. This position is called perihelion. The average distance between the Sun and Earth is called 1 astronomical unit, which is equal to 1.49 into 10 power 8 kilometers. The speed of light is 3 into 10 power 5 kilometer per second. In 1 year, there are 3.153 into 10 power 7 seconds. So totally, this light year means the distance light travels in 1 year. So 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometers. So now we understood that the light year unit is greater than the astronomical unit. So 1 light year is used to measure the distance of other stars and galaxies. Galaxies means group of stars. Light from the Sun takes 8 light minutes to reach the Earth. The nearest star to our solar system, which is called the Proxima Centauri, is 4.22 light years from the Earth. Another nearest star, Sirius, is 9 light years. Our Milky Way galaxy is 100,000 light years. Our Sun is 25,000 light years from the galactic center. Galactic center means center of our galaxy. The nearest galaxy, called the Andromeda Galaxy, is 2.5 million light years from our Earth or the Sun. Thank you. See you in next class.